ke Ntsimbi bafethu Nkosinathi wakaZondi sekena ekhuza tyo ayiphezu kwenye bafethu
Hola, 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 Kasi. This is Ace, well known Kasi. Today we'll be uncovering iDiski as you know it, from PSL to local vibes. We have everything.
I told him gore Pagania le tsova je second MTN 8 ke yona no ha se yona ke wafa ke yona ya tla who wafa Fezile last time I told him this cup it's designed for Orlando Pirates. Actually it should be named after Orlando Pirates. Tametse ba ibitseka Orlando Pirates Cup. So according to behavior le mkoko ne. As a South African, now you're not talking about personal feelings or maybe banter for each teams, but now talking about whatever that we saw from the Lupopo team.
Yeah.
Do you see that something that we need in sports? Do they have a sportsmanship according to you?
Well, firstly, as a team was say Africa Prime, they have this thing of intimidate. Bravo. But I feel like the energy, especially Umkoko, like it brings more tension. It makes it more interesting for me, the presence here at grounding. I really enjoyed what I saw last because it was not only about just like a game, about the other things as affecting.
So
mental fitness, and I feel like he came out on top, Cheetah.
No, so the way seasons corner. It's very tight there on top.
Oh, I like it this way, bro. Always dreamt of a time where
like
top 3. It makes our league more interesting and ipagamisa the performance of my players because
wait. Before that, layer final Maruma and Pirates.
Yeah.
We have a player survive.
Yes.
In that final. You know that.
In the Prima Pie.
You know that.
He's here represent.
How many players do you have, Marum, as a survival?
Kumarumu Kalansi. I'm not sure about the number, but
you have a few.
Yeah. This guy's Prime. It's good for us that tournament, even whether of every Pakania or whether Kumarumu. Maui Valley. Because it should be here.
So it's well represented.
It's well represented from Amachita. And impact. Wonke Lamachita school, they are not just like ordinary players. They are players, impactful players. Nagule finalists Beguti Umrema Swinela as a Mapaka. That's out from the gas.
Kuyo daso Kumarumo, we have Kamuelo Stole, we have Umpo Future Chabatani, and Sinotebu Kapatia, Kumarumo Kalanzi. We have 3 players from the Val. We also have 4 players from the Val, Orlando Pirates, Tabiso Libito, Tsapang Moremi, Relebohile Mofokeng, Boitumelo Radiopane.
Exceptional players. Those are not ordinary players that you just mentioned.
Exceptional players from the Val.
Yeah.
So Bafetu Val, it's well represented. We call him Black Label final in 6 is that December. So now, Siagu Festi. Lali Zintoleza Kalekon.
Yeah,
where we see Abo Future. Abo Mpochabatani. They played in this tournament. Abo Kamuelo Stole, they played in this tournament. The very same Kapatia played in this tournament. Buitimelo Radiopane played in this tournament. Now it's a Pamuremi, Buddha. He played in this tournament. They come from the dusty streets. Bapuma kona iya makasana. Ayinto aneza bana mapupa hot and said they will push on one day. As we see, same thing nabo Masindi. Masindi is from Shawela. Now from here. Just from my tournament. Now he's wearing a t-shirt, a very big t-shirt with a star on top.
Yeah.
So kona manje Priami, una tournament azayo festive season, saqale zone 7 da. Kingdom basipha I prep.
Yeah.
Bathi bafethu ake nithatheni kancane amandla. Before songena ku Kasi World Cup.
Yeah, main course ke lapho kwenzakala khona imagic.
No se ku Kasi World Cup. Bafethu mina all I can say is that as a plug Valcast, siyabantu base Val bafethu. All you say ukuthi riyatla. Siyeza. This show, this sports edition, it will pro. Iyaphezulu. Bafethu gale palam phezulu. From no until sesohlangana sikhona ra zone 7 sikhona ra kwaPolo ha o le monate le mpitse the plug Valcast is the next big thing Kasi Prime lentole yala
Sefere
eh
Prime. You're
ke ntho
taking it to
Kasi
the next level. It's for Kasi, by Kasi, to Kasi. Yeah.
ya Kasi
Yeah.